So Ayush, bro, last time when we did something controversial, mildly controversial, we were just fine, right?
Were
But
we?
probably, I hope so.
Yeah.
But now I want to take more risks, right? And
Yeah.
not just once or twice. Every month, bro,
Yeah.
every month.
Why? Why?
So
Please explain why
exactly
and how.
why and how.
Yeah.
So if you guys have seen our, teaser, trailer, whatever you can call it.
Yeah.
So basically, our aim with this series is like we're gonna come every month, once a month. ज़्यादा भी
Yeah.
exaggerate नहीं करेंगे. And we're gonna talk about कि आसपास चल क्या रहा है. समझ रहा तू
Hmm.
कि
Hmm.
देश दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है. बेसिकली सोशल कमेंट्री की तरह कह सकते हो.
Hmm.
But we'll see both the sides of
Hmm.
top. Everything has two sides, or even
Hmm.
more than that, right? But
Many
क्या
aspects.
एग्जैक्टली बट कभी कभी हम एक बायस के साथ आते हैं और हम
Hmm.
एक सिंपल जो हमारे ब्रेन के लिए डाइजेस्टेबल है ओपिनियन वो फॉर्म कर लेते हैं.
Hmm.
एंड दैट इज
Fair enough.
रियली रॉन्ग. दैट इज रियली रॉन्ग आयुष. क्योंकि
Hmm.
फिर ट्रूथ तो बचता ही नहीं है ना फिर. सो आवर एम विद दिस लेट्स गेट कैंसल्ड सीरीज
Hmm.
is talk. Even if we don't believe that, let's try to understand that and
Hmm.
think about it. ठीक है.
Yes.
So this is the first episode of the series. Let's see
Hmm.
how it goes, bro.
Yeah.
And I want to start by saying कि तू अभी डाइट कर रहा है ना.
हाँ कर रहा हूँ.
क्यों?
बहुत टाइम से कर रहा हूँ. कर रहा हूँ देख. If I'm being honest, there is a superficial aspect to it, and
अच्छा.
there is a major health aspect to it.
अच्छा.
The the superficial aspect is obviously looking good, having good
Hmm.
body,
Hmm.
and the sorry, my earphones are very bad today. So
It's cool.
if
It's
my
cool.
earphones, no, my earphones actually got stolen. So I have
भाई
actually
क्या
this is my
क्या हो रहा है
neighbor's.
तेरी जिंदगी में.
This is my neighbor's earphones. जो कि पता है तेरा sound बस इधर आ रहा है मेरे इधर एक ही
अच्छा
इसमें आ रहा
है.
है. हाँ हाँ ये. So so हाँ there's a superficial aspect to it, and there is a deep aspect to it, which is the health aspect to it.
अच्छा.
वही वही मेरा रीज़न है. अगर तू मुझे पूछ रहा है अब तू टॉपिक को लिंक भी कर दे इससे जिससे हम आ रहे हैं.
देख, टॉपिक इज लेट्स नॉट ग्लोरीफाई ओबेसिटी. ठीक है.
Yeah. First, let us make a few things clear. Which is, firstly, we will define obesity
हाँ,
and
that's so important.
and one thing just to make sure to everybody, we both do not support fat shaming.
For sure. For sure.
Fat shaming is destructive criticism. Fat shaming is a destructive criticism. It is
See, this is
something.
why it is
It is
important
like, see,
to
it is like, yeah, it is like, see, the thing is, fat shaming. There's a difference between fat shaming and telling people that
you're
they
fat.
might have a few problems
Right,
if they
exactly.
are
See,
fat. Okay,
Ayush, it is very
fat
important
shaming.
to know
No, no,
definition of things.
yeah. Let me finish. Fat shaming is bullying them for it. Fat shaming
Right.
is basically, I'll tell you something. Fat shaming is you're going from point A to point B. Okay, you have to go from point A to point B.
Hmm.
I'll tell you that, but I laugh at you at that. I do not help you reach point B, but I want you to
Ah.
reach point B.
Hmm.
And constructive criticism and actually helping somebody is, yeah, you tell them that you have to reach point A to point B, and you take forward, like you go with them and
Right.
make them reach point A to
True.
point B.
Agreed.
That is
100%.
constructive criticism. And actually, studies have also shown that fat shaming, even though if it, see, the thing is, I'll tell you something. This has a deep rooted thing. ठीक है.
Hmm.
जहां भी तू कंस्ट्रक्टिवली क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करेगा ना, हो
हाँ.
सकता है बंदा बेटर हो जाए, but
True.
those negative emotions never go.
Hmm.
Like some people say कि कि getting bullied at times makes you stronger.
अच्छा.
It does make you stronger. I
लेकिन
agree,
ट्रॉमा
it
रह
does make
जाता
you
होगा आई
stronger.
गेस.
But if you're bullied and then when you become strong now, but then
हाँ.
you also become a bully.
Hmm.
Okay, because people didn't treat you right, so you are like, I won't treat anybody right.
Hmm.
So that is a thing. So just to make sure we do not encourage fat shaming.
Hmm.
When it comes to obesity, it has both genetic and environmental factors, behavioral factors, behavioral more, but genetically people are there. So for
Hmm.
them, this is not there. That
Right.
is, this video is not aimed at that. But yeah, the majority is by obesity, how it is through your behavior and your preferences, which can be changed. Okay. So we are not doctors. We don't talk about what do you need to change. We'll talk about the basic aspect. So
Right.
if I define obesity, it is a disorder which involving excessive body fat that increases, and please hear this, increases the risk of health problems. Obesity often results in taking more calories than that are burnt by your exercise.
Way more
This is
calories. Way more
way
calories.
more calories, yeah, way more calories than it is burnt by your exercise. And the thing is, it is one of, why do we say is that, yeah, you do need expert opinion, but this is one of the things which is self-diagnosable. It
True.
is
True.
self-diagnosable because not in extreme cases, no,
Hmm.
but when in the intermediary cases, like when you're starting off, it is self-diagnosable. That is why
Definitely.
so much emphasis is laid on the individual as well. So much emphasis is laid on the specific individual. That is the reason we're talking about. So Sanket, what do you think about this? First, let's talk about the disease. And you do know somebody who's been gone through this, or maybe you or whatever.
Yes, bro. So first of all, I think let's get this clear. Okay. If you guys know about body fat percentage, I think that's the best metric.
BMI.
Not BMI, not BMI. BMI is
Yeah,
so
sorry.
bad.
Yeah.
BMI
वो
is
अलग है,
so
अलग.
bad.
Sorry, don't cancel me.
No, I
And
won't cancel you, bro.
body mass, but that's body mass index.
Yeah, and that is so
Body
inaccurate.
mass index. Yeah.
Guy with 5 or 6% body fat percentage, ठीक है, guy is ribbed,
Hmm.
लेकिन उसका I think
Hmm.
26 or 27 है, which is said to be obese. So that is really
Hmm.
inaccurate. I think body
Hmm.
fat percentage is more accurate according to me.
Hmm.
And I
Hmm.
think, see, thing is, if we, first of all, obesity is not being normal, like 20 percentage, you're not obese, body fat
Hmm.
percentage.
Hmm.
When things go wrong, when you're above
Hmm.
30, 35, people are 50
Hmm.
percentages, like
Hmm.
50% of their body is filled with fat. Can you imagine that? That is so
Hmm.
dangerous. You
Hmm.
can't even imagine, bro. कोई भी अनरियलिस्टिक क्या नाम है बॉडी इमेज इश्यूज लाने के लिए या फिर एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं दे रहा है तुम्हें, ठीक है.
नहीं, नहीं.
इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी टू हैव अ सिक्स पैक, ठीक है, नॉट एट ऑल, बट
Hmm.
डोंट बी अबव
Living a healthy
healthy
lifestyle.
life. Exactly.
Yeah.
Person with a 20-25% body fat healthy
Hmm.
रह सकता है, आराम से रह सकता है. In
Yeah.
fact,
हाँ.
going like below 12 and 10, which is like super ripped, जो usually bodybuilders का होता है, that is said to be dangerous,
Hmm.
क्योंकि body में ज्यादा
Hmm.
पानी नहीं stored होता. That is dangerous.
Hmm.
But things go wrong when you're like
Hmm.
when you go way overboard, right?
Hmm.
25, 30%, 35%, that's crazy, bro, and that is so harmful.
Hmm.
Now you ask
Hmm.
me कि तेरा like तू किसी experience में जानता है क्या? I was obese पहले,
Hmm.
ठीक है, grade 8
Hmm.
तक. And
Hmm.
bro, I'll tell you, it affects
Hmm.
you in so many ways, ठीक है. First of all, मैं क्रिकेट खेलता था, मैं स्पोर्ट्स में यूजुअली मैं बहुत धीरे भागता था, लेजीनेस आता था, ठीक है.
Hmm.
डे टू डे लाइफ में लाइक पड़े रहना, खुद लाइक उठने का मन नहीं करता था. आई वांटेड टू ईट मोर जंक फूड, मोर जंक फूड, और जिससे यू नो यू गेट दैट राइट, यू नो दैट राइट, कि अगर इफ यू ईट टू मच फैट तो तुम्हारी बॉडी भी ग्रीसी हो जाती है, तेरे तेरे नाक, तेरा फेस ऑयली हो जाता है. सो बहुत बहुत ही नेगेटिव और बहुत ही गंदा फील आता था, ठीक है, इन डे टू डे लाइफ. सो उससे मेरा डिसिप्लिन खराब होता था, मेरा क्या नाम है, मेरे स्पोर्ट्स में परफॉर्मेंस खराब होती थी, ऑल दैट, ठीक है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स बच्चा था, तो बच्चे में उतने कोई डिजीज नहीं आया, बट ब्रो हु नोज क्या हो सकता है, राइट?
बट मेरा जो पॉइंट है कि अब तो ओबीज है नहीं, जो हम देख
हाँ.
सकते हैं फॉर्चुनेटली. सो अगर तू हमेशा बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी में बिलीव करता, तू क्या ये रीच कर पाता?
नॉट एट ऑल, नॉट एट ऑल.
नॉट एट ऑल.
देख,
नॉट एट ऑल.
आई हैव हैड अ बैड एक्सपीरियंस दो. मैं कैसे पतला हुआ? मैं नेगेटिव वाले साइड से, मैं बॉडी शेमिंग से पतला हुआ.
Hmm.
I'll be honest with you
But yeah,
guys,
which
which is not the ideal
not
scenario
done.
if I'm being honest.
Yeah.
लेकिन that worked. But ये rare occasion है. I'll let you guys know. ये बहुत rare
Hmm.
occasion है कि फैट शेमिंग काम किया. बट हाँ, उसके बीच में कोई कोई पॉजिटिव क्रिटिसिज्म भी था. जैसे हमारी
Hmm.
कोच, क्रिकेट की कोच, वो एक मोटिवेटिंग वे में बताते थे. ठीक है.
Hmm.
सो लाइक कि हाँ, यू हैव
बोर्नवीटा के
नॉट बॉर्नविटा के.
कोच क्रिकेट, अरे
हाँ.
अरे कलकत्ता में
नहीं
वीडियो
नहीं,
बोर्नवीटा.
नॉट नॉट कैलकटा वाले. अरे कैलकटा में तो मैं मोटा, कैलकटा में तो मैं मोटा चालू ही नहीं हुआ था. मैं दिल्ली नोएडा आके मोटा चालू हुआ था. ठीक है. सो
अच्छा अच्छा.
बाद में मेरे को हुआ दिल्ली के
Hmm.
शिवनादर की कोचेस ने मेरे को बताया था. सो
Hmm.
या आई मीन पॉजिटिव भी था, नेगेटिव भी था, बट इन द एंड थिंग्स वर्कड आउट. बट
Hmm.
नाउ आयुष, आई वांट टू आस्क यू.
But no, before that, I'll just tell you, before we start explaining why we are emphasizing on this,
या.
I'll just mention a few things which can have like this, the effects of obesity. Okay, please hear this out. First of all, death. The maximum death. You
मैक्सिमम.
can die. High blood pressure, high cholesterol, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, stroke, gallbladder disease. And
And
if you,
all of these are
okay,
chronic diseases like bedridden.
yeah, over a long time. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you leave that.
हाँ.
You have a basic low quality of life. You have mental issues like illness, depression, anxiety, and other
For
mental
sure.
disorders,
For sure.
which is there. And you also have body pain and difficulty with physical functioning.
What's
You
that?
do not have to be an athlete. Do not have to be an athlete.
हाँ.
But if you have to do your day-to-day job,
Hmm.
if you have to do your day-to-day job, some sort of, I'm not saying you have, as you said, don't have abs, don't have six packs, but one sense of fitness to do a job is required also.
Right. Right.
Basic fitness to do a job is required also.
See,
That is
Ayush,
the problem.
for example, you're like perfect right now, right? तू जो और दूसरे एक्सटेंट में जा रहा है, that is for your own discipline. तेरे को कोई अचीव करना है, right?
Yeah, see, perfect नहीं बोलूंगा. I'll say
नहीं,
कि
perfect मतलब
I can
ideal
carry out my,
ideal scenario है तेरा.
yeah.
मैं
I
वो
can
कहना
carry
चाह
out
रहा
my
हूँ.
day-to-day
Right.
activities.
Right. Exactly. And
Yeah.
that is all like you should want actually, भाई. But
Yeah.
Ayush,
And
when does this get toxic? I want to know, यार. I want to know कि
this
कब toxic हो
toxic, I'll tell you why it doesn't get toxic.
हाँ.
If you look at it, and I'll right now also, I will give you some important stats
Okay.
which will tell you. Okay, so there was a journal called Obesity,
Okay.
Namita, and it has said that the number of overweight individuals who are misperceiving their weight has actually increased over time. So it was around 48.4% in 1997, and it has increased to 57.9% in 2015. Okay,
Okay.
this is
Okay.
a fact. Now, what can be the reason for this? I think the reason for this is the fashion industry.
अच्छा.
Fashion industry is a big marketing, because see, and there's another reason which I'll talk about. And because see, with the previously, like if you ask about your parents, if you ask your, did they have, there was nothing called a plus size clothing line,
Right.
or plus
Of course.
size model.
Nothing,
Again,
not at all.
nothing against them or anything,
Of course.
but
But लेकिन था
what
नहीं. It wasn't.
था नहीं ना,
था नहीं. That's
था
it.
नहीं. So people were in a way forced to sort of
हाँ.
in a way look after themselves, and
देख,
also
if you have heard,
awareness की कमी थी.
वो
ठीक है.
देख वो अलग बात है. But have you heard your parents, यार कपड़े फिट नहीं आते थे. That was a big
हाँ,
thing,
कपड़े
right?
फिट नहीं आते थे,
That
कपड़े
was a
फिट
big
नहीं आते
thing,
थे.
right?
तो इन्होंने क्या किया, अभी इनको दिखा कि जो फैशन इंडस्ट्रीज है, they saw कि there is a large population of people who are in this overweight and obese category, and उनको क्या था यार, see, it is similar as something like all junk food, fast food outlets. They know it's bad for you, but they will still do it.
Right.
Okay.
हाँ कि
There is
उन्हें थोड़ी ना
nothing,
फर्क पड़ता है.
and these people are no different. उन्होंने क्या किया, they started pushing this plus
हाँ.
size, this plus size thing.
Right.
So उससे क्या हो रहा है अभी भी, this is actually a thing. Like
हाँ.
again, data है कि from around 2, 3, 4, 6 the people who are overweight or obese, that it is the weight misperception has actually increased in England. It has increased in it's
England.
done in study. It's in England. England. It has increased in England.
Okay.
So this is the problem, and the global obesity rates are also like they are going. This is done by a doctor called Dr. Mutarak,
Okay.
who is a senior lecturer of in a International School of Development. He has said that, and I quote, he's just seeing the huge potential of the fuller size fashion market. Retailers have contributed to the normalization of being overweight and obese. While this type of body positive helps
Morbidly
reduce
obese.
stigmatization of large size bodies, it can potentially undermine the recognition of being overweight and its health consequences. Dude, समझ रहा है कि and I'll tell you something, it's a bold statement I'm making. ये जो फैशन इंडस्ट्रीज है ना, there are nothing less than criminals. तो nothing less than criminals जो कि इसको normalize कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Thing
Right.
is, I have no problem.
हाँ.
If see, the thing is, again, individual to individual, who am I to tell anybody, यार?
हाँ. हाँ.
क्या है? But when I go on social media and I see an obese man, an obese woman, just showing a video of their body and saying, "I am beautiful the way I am," it is fine.
Dick,
It
it's
is
good
view.
that you're
Beauty.
happy. It's good that you're
that you're
happy.
happy.
But it's
Beauty
not.
has
It won't be good if you die next
beauty,
month.
Beauty has no. Listen to me. Beauty has no definition. I am proud of them that
Right.
they're happy. But what they say is next is say it is healthy to do. That is where I have the
Yeah.
problem.
Right. Right.
Okay, you do anything you want, yeah. Who am I to tell you what you
true.
can do or what you can't do?
True.
It's up to you. But if you start normalizing this so much just for equality
Sales.
and
Just for sales, bro. Just for sales.
no, I'm talking about, yeah, the sales has contributed to it. I'm talking about normal people who do
हाँ.
it
हाँ.
in social media and all that. ठीक है, normal people who do it in social media and all that. If you're starting to normalize these things just for the sake of equality,
हाँ.
I mean, what if you die at 35? Will your plus size things still fit you? You will be gone.
Right.
This is the problem I have. I don't have a problem with people accepting. See, it's their body. Whatever happens to them, it's their prerogative.
हाँ.
Up to them. No
Up to them.
issues.
Up to
But
them.
on a social media platform, you cannot say that this is this body type of, when not obese, mind you. I'm only talking about obese people.
Right. हाँ. हाँ.
Okay, who are absolutely obese people. You cannot go and say it is a healthy way of living. It is not a healthy way of
not at
living.
all.
And in a way, the person, okay, has to be blamed also to an extent, I feel.
Which
But
person? Which person?
The person whose food habits, not about blame, but yeah, he has led him down to the stage. But he has to understand, or she has to understand, it's not the end of the world.
हाँ.
It is not the end of the world. You have to have that. You look at Neeraj Chopra.
हाँ.
Neeraj Chopra was an obese kid.
अच्छा, I didn't know about that.
He was an obese kid.
हाँ.
उसको अगर लोग बोलते हैं, no, you are body positivity. No, you are good the way you are. You know, it's normal. Neeraj Chopra बनता. It is about maximizing, even if it's not maximizing what you are, it is about living a normal, healthy life. And if you are obese, unfortunately, and if you are extremely obese, you cannot live a normal, healthy life. And it is just, it is nothing against you. It is nothing derogatory against you. It is just basic science. And unfortunately, you cannot go beyond science.
हाँ. See, Ayush, the thing you said about the fashion companies, right? Fashion brands. Just to correct you, criminals बोलना थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. But yeah, they're like manufacturers. They're like companies who manufacture arms and ammunitions, right? Do you know what their अगर war नहीं हुआ तो उनका तो धंधा बंद.
बिल्कुल.
तो that's same. उन्हें फर्क नहीं पड़ता ब्रो कि एंड रिजल्ट क्या है, उन्हें सेल्स चाहिए, राइट? ठीक है. इवन दो इसका पॉजिटिव एक आउटलुक हो सकता है, इनफैक्ट है. जैसे प्राइड मंथ में जो कंपनीज अपना लोगो चेंज कर लेती है, ठीक है?
प्राइड मंथ अलग है. प्राइड मंथ में किसी का हेल्थ अफेक्ट नहीं हो रहा.
एग्जैक्टली. इवन दो दैट इज गुड, बट डू यू थिंक आधी कंपनीज उनको फर्क भी पड़ता है? डू यू थिंक वो बस सेल्स के लिए कर रही है? मैं कंपनीज को अटैक कर रहा हूँ. That
is going, वो हम इस पे बाद में आएंगे. तू पहले घुस गया इसमें.
सी ब्रो,
that is, yeah,
कंपनीज को सेल चाहिए और वो एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहे हैं नॉर्मल लोगों को,
हम्म
ठीक है, उनके इमोशंस को भी एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहे हैं टिल सम एक्सटेंट, राइट,
हम्म
उन्हें पूरा
सी
मैनिपुलेट कर चुके हैं।
सी दैट इज एज यू सेड, वो करेक्ट है, बट हाँ प्राइड में क्या, प्राइड में
वो
मुझे
तो एक
किसी का
अच्छा
हेल्थ
चीज
का
हो
इशू
गया,
नहीं हो रहा।
वो
हाँ
अच्छा चीज
यार,
हो गया,
उसमें क्या है, दैट इज वेरी गुड।
बट
ठीक है।
लेकिन उनका वो अपनी, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू, ठीक है,
हम्म
एक कंपनी, एक्स कंपनी, इवन दो देर
हम्म
रेसिस्ट, ठीक है, इवन दो देर
हम्म
होमोफोब्स, बट
हम्म
स्टिल जस्ट फॉर सेल्स वो कुछ भी डाल दे रहे हैं, दे
हम्म
नॉट थिंकिंग।
हम्म
चाहे बंदा गलत भी हो, खुद का तो ओपिनियन सही, सच तो बोलो,
हम्म
अगर इवन इफ यू रॉन्ग, सच तो बोलो,
हम्म
कुछ झूठ तो मत
हम्म
बोलो जस्ट फॉर सेल्स। सेम गोस,
हम्म
इवन दो जो लोगो चेंज होता है उनका, वो लोग, दैट्स अ गुड थिंग जो कर रहे हैं, बट ये प्लस साइज वाला
हम्म
जो बना रहे हैं, देर जस्ट प्रमोटिंग सुइसाइड, आयुष। और
हम्म
टू बी ऑनेस्ट, देख जो
हम्म
लोग इन्फ्लुएंसर जो प्लस साइज अपने
हम्म
बॉडी को एक्सप्रेस
हम्म
करते हैं, वो भी मैनिपुलेट हो चुके हैं थ्रू दीज ब्रांड्स, ठीक है, उनकी भी टू बी
आई
ऑनेस्ट
थिंक,
बहुत बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी
एंड
गलती।
इट इज ऑल अबाउट ब्रांडिंग। मुझे एक बात समझा, तू तू जब एक सिगरेट का पैकेट यू बाय,
हाँ।
ओके, इट इज रिटन स्मोकिंग इज इंजurious टू हेल्थ,
हम्म।
ठीक है, तो हम क्यों इसको पॉपुलराइज नहीं करते कि लैक ऑफ एक्सरसाइज, ऑल ऑफ
हाँ
दिस दैट इज आल्सो इंजurious टू हेल्थ।
हाँ हाँ
हम इसको
हाँ,
बोलते हैं कि, और जस्ट बीइंग,
दैट इज
हम इसको
सच अ गुड
बोलते हैं कि
एग्जाम्पल।
दैट इज व्हाट, बट पीपल से कि यू नो दिस इज हु आई एम,
हाँ।
this is who I am. This is
हम्म।
not who you are. This is that's how. I'll tell you something. Okay, on a very personal level, I'll tell you. I am, when it comes to personal hygiene, I am good. When it
हाँ।
comes to my room cleaning and everything, I am atrocious. You know, you have stayed with me. I am atrocious. I am absolutely atrocious.
हाँ,
And now that I am going somewhere to study and I have to live on my own, I have to do it.
तेरी फटरी हो गई
Right?
भाई।
बहुत फट रही है, मेरी बहुत फट रही है। तो अभी अगर मैं मेरे पेरेंट्स को बोल दूंगा, या मैं अपने आप, पेरेंट्स को छोड़ दे, अपने आप को बोलूंगा, नो नो लिसन, आई एम आई एम अनक्लीन, आई एम द वे आई एम,
हाँ,
चलेगा? विल इट वर्क? आई विल हैव हेल्थ इश्यूज, एंड हेल्थ issues will lead to economic issues because then I have to go and see the doctor there. So when it comes to, this is a very important point, please understand, when it comes to your behavior, okay,
हम्म,
at okay, so if, okay, like if somebody tells me that I'll like, सुन, मतलब मैं ना थोड़ा फन लविंग सा बंदा हूँ, आई एम, somebody tells me you should not be, I'll say this is who I am, I won't change myself for you. But if it is related to a life skill
हम्म,
where it is affecting your health, then I'm sorry, this is not who you are. You have to change yourself. Okay, if even if on a basic level, if you're going bad, I'm not saying abhi, listen now, abhi I'm atrocious in cleaning, I won't have, suddenly I won't have OCD, I won't get absolutely spick and span, but yeah, I will have a basic way of cleaning. I'm
हाँ,
not saying know everything. You can't know. You can't. यार मुझे भी, मैं जिम करता हूँ. I don't like gymming that much.
हम्म,
ठीक है, मैं जिस रेट में मे बी कोई MMA फाइटर करता है, जिस रेट में मे बी रोनाल्डो करता है, मैं नहीं करता. आई डोंट जिम लाइक दैट. बट मैं एक बेसिक हेल्थ का वो रखता हूँ, एक
हम्म,
बेसिक उसका मैं, आई हैव दैट इन माइंड.
हम्म,
दैट इज द रीजन कि क्योंकि मेरा एक तो है लुक्स, में ओपनली बोल रहा हूँ,
हाँ,
अगर लुक्स नहीं भी है, ये क्या,
हम्म,
हेल्थ, दिस इज नॉर्मल हेल्थ, नॉर्मल डे टू डे हेल्थ. इसी को ना, द थिंग इज, वी डू नॉट गेट, एंड आई थिंक वी आर इन अ वे normalizing, and I want to take your opinion on this. We are normalizing, not progressing, don't you think? We are normalizing, talk about anything, we're normalizing, not bettering ourselves. Okay, if there is somebody who is in a way a bit underconfident in some situations,
हम्म, हम्म,
okay, the
limiting
thing that,
ourselves,
the thing that we
limiting
are
ourselves.
doing is, we will say, no, you can't, he is who he is. The problem is, which is fine, he should, but that confidence has to be built.
True,
That
true.
confidence has to be built, and it is saying for the person's benefit.
हम्म,
Similarly, if I come to this obesity part, okay, चलो कॉन्फिडेंस के बिना भी बंदा जिंदा तो रहेगा, मर तो नहीं जाएगा ना, हो सकता है प्रोग्रेस ना करे, मर तो नहीं जाएगा लाइफ में, ही विल बी देयर, ही विल बी
राइट
देयर।
राइट।
दिस तो ब्रो यू विल डाई,
हाँ, एक बात
यू
बताऊं, एक बात बता रहा हूँ आयुष। यूएस
क्या?
में एक फास्ट फूड आउटलेट है, ठीक है?
हाँ।
उसका नाम पता
अच्छा।
है क्या है?
क्या है?
हार्ट अटैक ग्रिल।
अच्छा, फिर भी लोग जाएंगे?
यू आर नॉट अलाउड, अगर आई थिंक अगर इफ यू आर ओवर 350 पाउंड्स विच इज अराउंड 170 किलोज, देन आपको फ्री का
हाँ।
खाना मिलता है। कैन यू इमेजिन? अगर तुम खाना कंप्लीट ना करो वहां पे, तो तुमको
हम्म।
ओबीज लड़के आके विप से मारती है।
ये मैं बिलीव नहीं कर सकता।
वीडियो है भाई यूट्यूब पे, तो देख लियो। कैन यू इमेजिन?
अब तू देख
व्हाट
फॉर
लेवल ऑफ
बिजनेस,
प्रमोशन?
for
व्हाट इज दिस?
business. I'll tell you now, I'm telling you, these people who are selling and who are normalizing obesity, be it fast food chains, be it plus size fashion, whatever,
हम्म।
it is wrong. It is okay, you sell plus size thing, but you do not, in your
देख,
ad you
तूने
don't
वो
normalize it.
जो तूने जो सिगरेट का एग्जांपल किया ना, दैट वाज सो एक्यूरेट
हाँ।
ब्रो। फास्ट
हाँ।
फूड बेचो यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, चलो बेचो।
हम्म।
प्लस साइज वाला चलो, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग। फास्ट
हम्म।
फूड ठीक है, आई टॉक अबाउट फास्ट फूड।
हम्म।
एक्सट्रीमली
हम्म।
ग्रीसी फूड, ठीक है,
हम्म।
बेचो,
हम्म।
नो प्रॉब्लम। लेकिन जैसे
हम्म।
उसमें लिखा था ना कैंसर होगा, वैसे
हम्म।
उनमें भी कुछ होना चाहिए आई थिंक।
हम्म।
वो डिस्क्लेमर होना
हम्म।
चाहिए एटलीस्ट, कि लोग मौज में
हम्म।
खाए जा रहे हैं भाई, किसी को, आधे लोगों को
हाँ।
आइडिया नहीं है। दैट इज सो डे।
एग्जैक्टली देख, एक इसका सोशियो इकोनॉमिक एस्पेक्ट भी है कि ये
अच्छा।
यूके में एक जो एस्पेक्ट है कि सम पीपल, स्पेशली नॉट इन द कंट्री,
हाँ
in the western countries, who do not have a lot of access to a very healthy diet or a protein rich diet.
ठीक
And
है।
as you know, like it's like a daily wage earner, a normal daily wage earner can get like a normal Mac.
हाँ
By Mac, I mean
हाँ
in the US. I don't know the
हाँ,
exact amount, I forgot, but they can. So that is
दे
why
कैन
they
दे कैन।
resort to it.
हाँ
Yeah.
राइट।
I mean exact amount नहीं पता, but they can. That is why they
और
resort
भाई
to it. See,
थिंग है उनके लिए फाइन, इट्स फाइन कि वो बहुत ज्यादा
that is a
कैलोरी एक्सपेंडिचर हो रहा है उनका, यू गेट दैट?
हाँ, नो दैट इज, उसमें भी होता है, बट दैट इज द
हाँ,
डिफरेंस। तो उसमें भी तुम्हें देखना पड़ेगा कि तुम उसके डिस्पैरिटी जो है कम करनी पड़ेगी
वो
तुमको,
20 नहीं होंगे,
वो
लेकिन
अलग
उसके
बात
अंदर
है।
जो सोडियम है वो तेरे को हार्म करेगा
हाँ,
फॉर
बट
श्योर।
अगर मैं इंडिया की बात करूँ, ये तो
हाँ
इंडिया में दिक्कत नहीं है।
हाँ
इंडिया में दिक्कत नहीं है ना, इंडिया में जो बंदा ज्यादा खा नहीं पाता वो एटलीस्ट लाइक लाइक नेचुरल वे में क्रॉप्स
हाँ।
वॉप्स जो भी हो खा लेता है।
अभी 30-40 रुपए
इंडिया
में
में
यू
क्या,
गेट हेल्दी फूड।
हेल्दी हेल्दी फूड इंडिया में। अच्छा, एक बार बता दूं, जैसे हम ओबेसिटी की बात कर रहे हैं, सेम अप्लाइज फॉर एनोरेक्सिया आल्सो, किंतु
अच्छा।
even
हम्म।
anorexia, yeah, applies if you are extremely thin, and if you
राइट
like
दैट।
anorexia, what fear of gaining, that apply. But
राइट।
it is a proven fact that being overweight causes more problems than being underweight.
ऐसा है क्या?
It is a proven
देख,
fact.
आई थिंक
कि
अंडरवेट इज डिफरेंट
it
एंड
can
एनोरेक्सिया इज डिफरेंट ब्रो। आई हैव सीन
you
एनोरेक्सिया
know
एंड इट इज
no, I'm talking about anorexia is
डेडली।
in the underweight category only, na? It
राइट
is
राइट
deadly.
राइट। हाँ।
But I'm giving you a thing कि it is different. It is different to being overweight.
ऑफ कोर्स।
तो सबसे, अगर मैं अपनी इंडिया के कंट्री, मतलब इन द इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट में बात करूँ,
हाँ।
तो वही रीजन हो रहा है कि हम एक बंदे को उसके और कंफर्ट जोन से, कि लाइक उसके कंफर्ट जोन से हम उसको निकालने नहीं दे रहे, ठीक है। एंड आई थिंक दिस इज समथिंग विच लाइक एज आई टोल्ड यू स्टैट्स ऑल्सो कि द एक्सेप्टेंस इज गोइंग अप सो मच।
हाँ
मतलब दिस इज similarly, if I take a very regressive example, ठीक है, अगर ऐसे चलता रहा तो एनीथिंग कैन बी एक्सेप्टेड। देन तो व्हाट हिटलर डिड एट ऑशविट्स, ठीक है, किल पीपल, ही किल पीपल, राइट? दैट वाज एक्सेप्टेड एट दैट टाइम। Was it right? Again, I'm not comparing both of them. Was it right? So just accepting it, and because it makes you feel good about yourself, because it makes you feel equal about yourself, and you should feel good about yourself, man. Even if you're fat, even if you're obese, you should feel great about yourself. You should have
definitely, हाँ।
confidence in yourself. But you should not, the
You
reality
should
should
not
be in
think
your
that it
mind.
is healthy.
You should not think that it is healthy. There are literally, I mean, तू मैनेज कर सकता है, इट्स जस्ट आई एम बीइंग स्टैग्नेंट इन लाइफ। मतलब मैं अपने आप को इम्प्रूव कर ही नहीं रहा।
हाँ,
अपने आप को मैं
I mean,
इम्प्रूव
if you're
कर ही
cool
नहीं
with
रहा।
that, if you're cool with that, then कौन है हम बोलने वाले, right?
नहीं नहीं,
अब
हम बोलने वाले नहीं है, पर मैं
हाँ,
हाँ अग्रीड मैं अपने ओपिनियन, बट अगर तू उससे कूल हो फिर तुम लाइक
then realize
फ्रीज होके।
but at least realize that it is not the best possible scenario for you or anyone else. If you're cool with that,
हम्म
तो तुम्हारे personal level में that's cool, ठीक है, चलता है,
हम्म
but उसे promote तो मत करो।
बट प्रोमोट मत करो, एग्जैक्टली उसको तुम
हाँ,
प्रोमोट मत करो। उसको तो
हम्म,
मतलब इट इज मतलब सम टाइम ऑन लाइक यू नो लाइक आई टेल यू समथिंग, ये
हाँ,
इसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे जाएंगे
अच्छा,
कि ये जो ना सोशल मीडिया पे द फैक्ट इज समटाइम्स पीपल फील दैट इट्स देयर पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप,
अच्छा,
like for
explain,
for the sake of doing things, for the sake of awareness, they
हाँ,
do anything. Like I saw this post and I'm attacked for this, I don't care, I'll just say it. This girl, just to
oh,
see, we know females have hair, we
हाँ,
know females have hair, we know females have hair, majority know. She literally, she like, just gross, she puts her armpit out and she just takes a video of her hair and she's posting it. I mean what? I mean
I
what?
have a friend, I won't take his name, but लोग उसको आमपेट बुलाते थे कि ये वो भी ये हरकतें करता था स्कूल में। तो मेरे को उसकी
नहीं
याद
हो
आती।
नहीं, चल स्कूल में मतलब मैं
भाई
क्या,
नहीं, वो
अच्छा अब
ऐसे
आई
ऐसे करके घूम रहा है भाई क्लास में, तू सोच सकता है।
कुछ भी, आई प्रूव, इफ आई वांट टू प्रूव मैन हैव अ डिक, मैं नंगा मैं क्या नेकेड घूमूंगा, व्हाट क्रैप मैन।
ट्रू, ट्रू,
सो आई थिंक कि हाँ अवेयरनेस करना चाहिए, क्रिटिकल, और तुम क्रिटिकली उसको, तो प्रॉब्लम इज ना हम डिबेट्स पे
हम्म,
वी डू नॉट लुक एट फैक्ट्स,
हम्म,
we go ridden by emotions, and the problem is emotions is important in debate, I agree, emotionally appeal होता है debates में, बट फैक्ट भी देखना होता है ना।
हाँ,
मैं आई वाज टॉकिंग टू दिस गर्ल दैट डे and she had talked about obesity only, and she's like, I am somebody should that the person is good the way the person is, and we should not harm her, or we should not do
we should
this.
not harm her, I agree with that, of course.
No, harm her nahi, we should not tell her also, we should
Oh
not
no,
tell
no,
her
no,
or
no.
something as a friend. I'm like, come on man, मेरा तो दिक्कत है कि मैं मतलब somebody, I give them a critical solution also if somebody
हाँ,
is morbidly obese or what, but the problem is that we do not learn to accept anything if we give critically.
हाँ,
It is called like the fact that we are doing this podcast also,
हाँ,
we you know
देख,
what will happen to us.
this is not an ideal scenario कि हमें ये बात भी करनी पड़ रही है, to be honest.
करनी पड़ रही है, बट ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आई जस्ट
हाँ,
होप that again there is, just to sum this up, there is no normal beauty standard, there
हाँ,
is no normal beauty standard.
हाँ,
Okay, people are beautiful in their own way, you are
हाँ,
beautiful in your own way, I am beautiful in my own way, everybody is the soul,
हम्म,
but there is a health standard,
हाँ,
there is a health standard na? That too,
हाँ,
both of us can't deny, anybody can't deny.
हाँ,
Okay, and I told you cholesterol, death, only a death.
अबे, do you know about this study? पता चला, if you're obese,
Hmm.
then the chances of dying from COVID rises to 46%.
I don't know this. It is true. Obesity is the second leading cause of cancer
हाँ,
after smoking. It is second leading cause of cancer.
I don't know about that.
So
That's
it is. It is.
inside.
It is it is the second leading cause of cancer. I think
Damn.
at least in the UK, after smoking.
Wow.
That is how we have become, and I think yeah, technology has a lot to do with it.
Right.
Everything has a lot to do with it. That
हाँ,
are controllables. Okay, that is in your hand.
हाँ,
But the point we are making is the projection which is coming, the
हाँ,
normalization on social media, on whatever which is coming. Just it is just to make you feel good, man. Just to make
hmm,
you feel good. I
hmm,
mean, okay, you feel good, but you're feeling, if it, okay, you feel good, but if your feeling and your
hmm,
projection today kills somebody, then will
हाँ,
you be responsible for that?
yeah, wow.
Will you be responsible for that? Tell me. Then okay, if you talk about feeling, then how will their parents feel after that? How will the whole society feel after
Look
that?
into the
Will they
camera
feel
and tell
will they
that
feel
person.
good? नहीं वो मैंने बोलना जो बोल दिया है. There's no particular person in my mind. I'm just saying कि
Of
just
course, हाँ,
just normalize a healthy living lifestyle.
true.
Do not body shame. Do not body shame.
हाँ,
But if somebody is going towards obesity or is morbidly obese, do not feel shy of telling them that also. That is
हाँ
what I'm trying to say.
हाँ हाँ,
ठीक
that's
है,
right.
चल अब इसमें तो बहुत ही बोल दिया, बहुत ज्यादा ही बोल दिया.
बहुत ज्यादा बोल दिया, but लेकिन
अब
अच्छे
इम्पोर्टेंट है.
और बहुत अच्छे से एड्रेस किया आयुष. That's
I
the
think
best part.
I think important है, but
Important
don't
है.
body shame. That is a very very important thing to do.
Wait, I'm back. So this was the part one of the first episode of us getting cancelled. You can watch part two, which will be released this Sunday. It'll be really interesting, and we hope that we don't actually get cancelled after this. This was our raw opinion. Raw opinion, okay? Mind it. I hope you guys like this one. Go watch the second one if you're watching this after Sunday, and tell us how we can improve. All right. Thank you.